Hey yo, what's going on, everybody? Your boy LKJimmy here, man. We in the studio cooking up. Shout out to my boy Creative Dwill. Go ahead and I'm gonna link his channel in the bio below. Go ahead and tap in with bro. He know a lot of info and he got a lot of good content on his page. We was chopping it up this morning, pretty much talking about success, spirituality, Christianity, just a mindset type thing. And we came to the conclusion that we're gonna do the 30-minute challenge, 30-day cook up. So what that pretty much means is we're going to give ourselves 30 minutes to cook up a beat, start to finish, you know what I'm saying? And kind of work on our technique. And it's a good chance to show you guys how I cook up, what I do, and stuff like that. So without further ado, we're going to hop in Maschine Plus, well, actually Maschine 2, and we're going to do what we got to do, you hear me? No cheating either. I gave myself 27 minutes, bro. So it's a 27-minute cook up. You talking about, bro? What? Got some drums, some hats. I got some good drums. So actually, I'm gonna get one more pair of hi-hats in there. Alright, so now we're gonna come back. What time of time we got? 21? Oh, I wanna be out of Maschine by freaking 15 minutes. We got 20 minutes left. Let's get something up and let's just bring up what we know works. Maschine X. Let's get a reed instrument. Let's record it. That's one pattern. Let's go. Let's go. What's 4 minutes? 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's get a pad. Let's get a pad. All right, so basically I'm gonna add probably one more one more type texture type thing so we can let's see what the guitars is hitting on in Massive X. Let's take off the drums. Alright, so alright, so we done with that. We're gonna go ahead and save this. I already messed up because I'm supposed to I definitely should have already saved that. Make sure y'all save y'all projects. If y'all know any real engineers, any real producers, they gonna tell you to save your project off rip. Because if you don't, man, I'm telling y'all, I definitely ran into great projects being lost. Make sure y'all name y'all projects. We're gonna come over here to the mixer group, turn everything down. Everything be hitting in Maschine hard. So before I send it over to Studio One, I definitely always turn down all of my groups. So we gonna catch y'all inside the Studio One, man. LKJimmy, 30-minute cook up. We here, baby.